So what are these subs?
Those are Skar Zvx 12 V2s.
V2s?
Yes, sir.
What's it tuned to?
Best I can guess is around 32 hertz.
I like the box.
30 to 32. Thanks. I built it in one afternoon.
Nice. That looks good.
So,
one afternoon?
Yep, about 6 hours.
Okay. Oh, you did the amp rack? A little cooling?
Yeah, I had to.
What is that? Is it an Orion?
It's an Orion XTR 2500.
Okay.
It goes into protect if I don't keep it cool.
Is it half ohm?
It's really hot.
You're running a half ohm, is that why?
No, 1 ohm.
Really? Oh, wow.
It's pushing out like 3,500 watts.
I think I saw the clamping on them things. They're beasts. Yeah.
They're insane.
For the size.
Yeah.
What was your name?
Andy.
Andy, okay. Jacob.
Nice to meet you, Jacob.
Shit about me, but you know what? Pussy like my niggas about to do right now.
moving forward.
No, I can actually lay back and take a nap if I squeeze this bit, so it'll work.
And and it actually worked out to where the seat isn't blocking the port.
I know. I squeezed in every last inch I could get into it. I was almost worried I wouldn't be able to get it to fit in there.
Really?
Yeah.
It's pretty big.
It's tight against the door, so.
It is. Yeah, that makes sense.
It's actually ruining the door. But no, I like it for 212s, not bad.
Did you fix the alternator?
Yeah. It's not working 100% the way it should, but I'm still seeing 14 volts out of it. 14. So, what makes me happy.
It makes you feel safe too, maybe instead of worrying about maybe a spike or something.
Yeah, Yeah, but actually fried the regulator last week. It's almost 17 volts.
Oh my gosh.
And the voltage got so high, it shut down the PCM in the truck and went into protect mode. I was stranded on the side of the road. I had to wait an hour for it to cool down. Get going again. But no, I like it.
Yeah, that sounds good. What made you invert them instead of regular? Just wondering.
Well,
I mean, it looks cool, but have you tried invert?
I had them the other way around. Now, I was curious about this. If you look how thick this double baffle is, when you put it up against here, look how little airflow you're going to get out of there. See, if you put a double baffle up against that, you're losing airflow coming out of here. And these have to move both ways. You have to get airflow coming out of this basket.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So I inverted them. I tried out. I got more depth and more tone by inverting it, just by flipping them up.
That makes sense.
Because it allows them to flex more free. And the inside is routered, so it's nice and smooth. So I'm getting a beautiful flex.
I didn't think about that. That's a good idea, because I see a lot of guys have dual or triple baffle, and it's blocking like.
It is. Yeah. This has to get as much air in and out here. Not just because it's a regular basket, but you also have this blocking the air coming out of there too.
Yeah.
So you're not getting as much air moving as you are on the cone. So
Yeah, that makes sense.
The cone puts out a lot of air,
Yeah.
but this has to have room to move too.
Yeah.
So does the spider. Spider has to have room to move. So if you're blocking it with a wall,
I didn't think about that. That's a good idea.
Yeah. I probably got about maybe 4 decibels just by flipping these.
That's good.
Yeah.
What does it do on the meter?
Huh?
What does it do on the meter?
I have not metered it professionally, but I hit 143 before I inverted them.
Oh, you're going up a lot from then, yeah.
I'm sure it is.
Oh, yeah.
But
Awesome. Appreciate the demo, man.
yep.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice.
That was fun.
Thank
And you
you.
got AC. Not many people have AC running.
Cocaine is